Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered about the intricate world of cryptocurrency exchanges and the regulations that govern them? Today, we're diving deep into a crucial aspect of using Gemini, Know Your Customer, KYC, procedures. Now, you might be thinking, what's KYC, and why does it even matter? Well, in the ever-evolving landscape of cryptocurrency, KYC plays a vital role in ensuring security, compliance, and overall trust within the ecosystem. Let's face it, dealing with your hard-earned money requires a certain level of trust. You want to know that your funds are safe, that your transactions are secure, and that the platform you're using is operating within a legal and ethical framework. That's where KYC comes in. Essentially, KYC is a set of procedures that businesses use to verify the identity of their customers. This helps to prevent fraud, money laundering, and other illicit activities. So, the question is, does Gemini, a popular cryptocurrency exchange, require KYC? The short answer is yes, absolutely. Gemini and KYC. Gemini, like most reputable cryptocurrency exchanges, adheres to strict KYC/AML, anti-money laundering, regulations. This is crucial for several reasons. Compliance. Gemini operates in a highly regulated environment. By implementing robust KYC checks, they ensure compliance with international and local laws, such as those set by the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, FinCEN, in the United States. Security. KYC helps prevent fraudulent activities like account takeovers and identity theft. By verifying user identities, Gemini can minimize the risk of unauthorized access to accounts and funds. Trust and reputation. Strong KYC/AML measures build trust and confidence among users. It demonstrates that Gemini is committed to operating a secure and transparent platform. Preventing financial crimes. KYC plays a crucial role in combating money laundering, terrorist financing, and other financial crimes. By verifying user identities, Gemini helps to ensure that its platform is not being used for illicit activities. Now, let's talk about the KYC process on Gemini. Generally, it involves basic information. You'll be asked to provide basic information such as your full name, date of birth, address, and contact details. Identity verification. You'll need to verify your identity by submitting government-issued identification documents, such as a passport or driver's license. Address verification. You may be asked to verify your address by providing proof of residence, such as a utility bill or bank statement. Source of funds. In some cases, you may be asked to provide information about the source of funds you're depositing on the platform. While these steps might seem like a hassle at first, they are essential for maintaining a secure and compliant platform. Think of it as a necessary step to ensure the safety and security of your cryptocurrency investments. KYC and privacy. Now, you might be concerned about privacy. After all, sharing personal information can feel a bit daunting. However, reputable exchanges like Gemini take data privacy very seriously. They implement robust security measures to protect your personal information and comply with data privacy regulations like GDPR. It's important to choose reputable exchanges that prioritize user privacy and data security. Always review the exchange's privacy policy carefully before sharing any personal information. Benefits of KYC. While KYC might seem like a hurdle at times, it offers several significant benefits for users. Enhanced security. As mentioned earlier, KYC helps to prevent fraudulent activities and protect your funds. Increased trust. KYC builds trust and confidence in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. It demonstrates that exchanges are operating within a regulated and transparent framework. Access to a wider range of services. By completing KYC, you may gain access to a wider range of services on the platform, such as increased withdrawal limits and access to advanced trading features. Peace of mind. Knowing that the exchange you're using is committed to security and compliance can provide you with peace of mind when investing in cryptocurrencies. In conclusion, KYC is an essential part of using cryptocurrency exchanges like Gemini. While it may require some initial effort, it plays a crucial role in ensuring the security, compliance, and overall integrity of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. By understanding the importance of KYC and following the necessary procedures, you can confidently navigate the world of cryptocurrency and enjoy the benefits of a secure and reliable trading experience. Remember, always choose reputable exchanges that prioritize user privacy and data security. Read their terms of service and privacy policy carefully before sharing any personal information. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.